This web tutorial is going to talk about installing GMetrix on your home computer. My operating system is Windows 10. If you're running Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, or maybe Vista, your screen is going to look just a little bit different than mine. As we begin, you're going to go ahead and need to open up a web browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this. In the web address, we're going to go ahead and type in gmetrix.net. The key to this is the .net, not .com, which many people put in, and it'll take you to the wrong website. You're going to go ahead and sign in to your account, the one that you use on the computer at the school. And from here, what you need to do is you can select Go or start a brand new test. We'll go ahead and begin a new test. Go ahead and fill this out. You can choose what you need to. Going to click Next. We're going to click Start. And then if you do not have it installed on your computer, you need to go ahead and click Download GMetrix SMS. And that will begin the download process here. You can go ahead and click Download. And down here in the corner of the screen, you notice that it is installing or downloading the program. Please note with this, you need to make sure that you have the correct version of Microsoft Office installed on your computer. If you do not, GMetrix will not work. So if you have Microsoft Office 2010 installed on your computer and the class is running Office 2013, when you download this software, the key that I have given you in class will not work with Microsoft Office 2010. You will need to uninstall Microsoft Office 2010 and install Microsoft Office 2013, which you can get for free from the district. I have recorded an uninstall video. If you need to see that, check my YouTube page. But I do want to caution you, please check with your parents that this is okay before you do so. Now that this download is finished, we're going to go ahead and click the execute file to begin the install process. Let me minimize the screen. We'll go ahead and click Next. You can go ahead and read through this user agreement. We're going to go ahead and click I accept. Click Next. We'll go ahead and do Complete. We'll click Install. We're going to click Yes on the admin approval for the install. You might not see that on this screen, but a window did pop up asking if I was okay with this being installed. Okay, you can click Launch the Skills Management System here and click Finish, or you can find it in your programs list. Now this might look a little bit different than what we have in the class, and that's just because they have an updated version of the program. It will still do the same thing that happens, the one you're working on in class. We'll go ahead and sign in. Click Take a New Test. We'll do Word. We'll do it under Training Mode. And then let's just do this one. Being that this is the first time I've used this, it is going to be a little bit sluggish. Take a second to load up. And then just like in class, you'll click Start Test.